Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your correct name in Cebu Pacific booking and what you should know before doing it. So first, very important in Cebu Pacific, you usually cannot fully change the passenger name to another person. So you can only correct minor errors like spelling mistakes or wrong formatting. You just have to go to the Cebu Pacific website or use the mobile application for this one. Okay. And then you just have to click on the manage booking. So tap on the manage and tap on manage booking. So here you just have to enter the booking reference number and last name to access your booking. But since we don't have any booking yet, still you just have to follow the instruction, okay? So once inside, you just have to look for upgrade guest details. So you'd be able to do that or click on the edit, and then there you can request a name correction like fixing a typo in your first name, last name, or spacing. And then you just have to enter the correct name based on your valid ID or passport, then proceed. Some changes may require support verification or documents, and fees may apply depending on your ticket. So you just have to confirm the changes and wait for your updated itinerary via email. So just make sure that the email that you are using is active as well, and make correction as early as possible before your flight. Your booking name must match your valid ID exactly, and you can only manage your booking up to 2 hours before the departure of your flight. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.